Hello boys, so today we are going to review about our unit number 1, page number 22 and 23. Okay, here in this picture you can see 6 major organs inside the body, right? You will write the names as they have shown in the picture. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6 names according to their labels. Okay, like here this one is labeled to liver, you will write here liver. These are kidneys, write here kidneys. Lungs, brain, stomach and intestines, right? And there are lungs. I will repeat: brain, lungs, sorry, heart, lungs on the right side, liver, kidneys and stomach and intestines. You will write like this as homework and send me. Okay, next we have questions. Some
Teacher,
questions. Yes,
do you want me to write that?
yes,
Brain and
this
head.
page, the whole page is your homework. I will just speak about the homework and you will finish it and send me. Okay, I will just give you a
Okay.
guideline. Okay, which two major organs are in the chest? This is your chest portion, right? Which two
Head.
organs are there? Lungs and heart. Okay, you will write here lungs and heart, right? Next we have question: which three major organs are in the abdomen? Okay, this part is your abdomen, right? You will find these on page number 6 and page number 7. Between these two pages you will find the hints. Okay, in abdomen we find liver, kidneys, stomach and intestines, right? This is your homework, you will do by yourselves. Now open page number 23.
Okay.
Page 23. Here we are. On your left side, it's a section which is named as what do our major organs do? This is the section between page numbers 8 and 11. It's mean 8, 9, 10 and 11. Question number 1. What is the function of the kidneys? Yes, Firas. What is the function of the kidneys?
Yes.
Yes, read
Ustad,
it please.
what page? Page what?
Page 23.
23.
Next page, yes.
Okay.
In front of page 22. Yes.
They filter blood and remove poisons.
Excellent. They filter blood and remove poisons from the body, from the blood. Very good, Firas. Thank you. Next, we have Saud. Where are you?
You're welcome.
Saud,
Yes,
Habibi.
teacher.
Yes. Fill in the gap. Okay. The heart is a part of what? What system? Sir, read it. Circulation. Saud, are you with me? The heart is a part of circulation system because it pumps the blood which circulates all over the body, right? Muhammad Azhari, are you there?
Yes, yes.
Okay. For you, there is a question: which two things you must do or must you keep the same in the investigation to find who can blow the biggest balloon if you have a balloon? If you have a balloon.
يسأل and same type of balloon.
Yes, you will use the same type of balloon and in one breath you will do this activity. Next, let me finish and then you will write. Okay, next section is what happens if our major organs don't work. It's between page 12 and
You will be
19.
dead.
Yes, very good, Firas. Which major organs causes which major organ causes the most problems as we age? Yes, Abdul Aziz. Abdul Aziz, are you there?
Yes, yes,
Yes.
I'm there.
Tell me the answer, please. Which major organ causes the most problems as we age? What's written here?
Heart.
Very good.
Heart.
Heart. Yes, heart. Okay. Now they are come forward. Can you name one way to stay healthy? Right here, two ways, but you can say one. There. They are Deen. Yugir, where are you? Yeah, now your mic
Yes,
is
teacher.
fine, I
Yes,
think.
teacher. Yes,
Yes.
teacher.
Yes, please. Give me the answer. There is the question and there is to read. Yes.
Uh,
I finished too.
Eat.
eating healthy
Yes.
food. Eat healthy food. كيف يعني يا أستاذ؟
Eat healthy. Eat healthy food and exercise. You can write any one of them. Okay. They are be with
Okay.
me. Okay. Okay. Next we have what is the normal pulse rate of a person for a person sitting quietly. As I told you before, 60 to 80 beats per minute. Beats per minute. Okay. Next question. How do we place numbers in rank orders? So there are two ways to place the numbers, from lowest to highest number or from highest to lowest. Okay. As for the circles, read these statements. I understand what happens if our organs don't work. I can take a person.
Teacher,
Yes, Firas.
I finished that page.
Okay. I know how to order numerical results. If you know, make a
Teacher,
tick. If you don't know, make a cross. Yes, Firas, please.
do you want me to send that page in WhatsApp?
Yes, when you finish, send me. Okay. Be with me.
Okay.
Let me finish. Next section is scientific names for major organs. It's between page 20 to 21. What is the scientific name of things to do with the heart? If there is any problem, doctors use this scientific name, which is cardiac. Cardiac. Okay. If somebody or some doctors say that the person has cardiac problem, it's mean he has cardiac disease. You understand, right?
Teacher, صفحة كم?
Page 23, Mishari. Welcome to you in the class. You are late today.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, Mishari. So, page 22 and 23, this was the review for unit number 1. Okay, this is it for today. If you have any question, you can ask. Thank you.